Hello dears, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. In this video we are going to talk about the three most network signal modes or communication methods that every devices in a network used to. So here, as you can see, the first is simplex, the second is the half duplex, and the third is this full duplex. So here simplex is something that here, as you can see for this diagram, so here we have this device number 1 and also we have this device number 2. So simplex mean that when this one is going to send to 2 send data, so it means it's going to use the simplex. So if this 2 is going to send to number 1, is going to be simplex again. Why? Because if this one is try to send to data to number 2 and 2 is trying to send data to number 1, so at the same time it cannot send data, or it cannot send like this devices need to be wait for 2, or 2 is going to need for 1. So only one device can send data at the same time. So as an example, we can say a mouse is connected to the PC or keyboard, so only the keyboard or the mouse is sending data to the PC. So only one device can send in simplex. So in half duplex is completely different. Like if this device number 1 want to send data to number 2, so it's going to send to number 2. So until this data is going to received by this number 2, so then this number 2 can send data to the number 1 device. It means in half duplex, so one device is going to send data, so the other receiver device need to wait until it's going to receive its data, then it can send the data to number 1 device. So like for half duplex we can say like walkie-talkie, if you are going to talk on that. So when you're going to send your voice, so after the receiver is going to receive the voice, so it need to wait until you are going to receive data from it. It means that on the same time you cannot send data and you cannot actually communicate, but you have to wait until the data you receive, then you can send the data to the device that you're receiving from. So for the full duplex it's completely different. For the full duplex you can just send data from this device number 1 to device number 2, and device number 2 can send data to number 1 at the same time. So in this full duplex there is no waiting, so no one is going to wait for the data until it's going to complete to send its own data to the receiver or the other device. So how we can configure all these simplex, half duplex or full duplex? For our interfaces, simplex is not available, but we can configure this half duplex and full duplex. So how you can find that? In Windows we can find it, and so we are going to press Windows key and R. So here we are going to type in cpa.cpl. So as you can see, for the interface you have to right click, go to the properties and click on configure, and you need to click on advanced tab. So as you can see here we have this speed and duplex. So by default it's selected as auto negotiation, but if you want to select something like we have this 10 Mbps full duplex, 10 Mbps half duplex, 100 Mbps full duplex, and 100 Mbps half duplex as well. So this is how we can configure this full duplex and half duplex for our interface as well. So as you can see, by default this is auto negotiation, but in your case if you require to configure this full duplex, so this is how you can access the interface to configure that. And also in case of the other switches and other devices, we are going to configure it with a different platform is completely different. So with Microsoft, you are going to configure this duplex with your interfaces just like this. So this is how we configure, and also now we know the concept of this simplex, half duplex and full duplex. So if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So see you guys until next video.